In this video, I'm gonna share with you something income strategy. You can do that easily to yourself. So today's topic is would being CPA grip. So it's easy to do. So just it's I think you have understood recently that it's kind of like affiliate marketing. So first of all, you need to do create an account here. So therefore click on sign up button, and then it's kind of being loading, so waiting. And okay, in my desktop mode is being problem, so therefore I'm turn off my desktop mode. So yeah, right now it will be working, I'm hoping. So yeah, first of all you need to put on screen your name. I have an account, so therefore it's putting name simple account, just example, as if you understood that it's easy to do. So company, it's not necessary, it's not mandatory. Website, stress, you just put your area, where do you live in right now, which country you are living right now, and which place. So just put it. I'm just writing here simple thing. So simple, and city simple. You put your your living place. So I'm just seeing to you example. So zip code like that, phone number. Okay, so you can do that easily, like your valid phone number you need to put here. So escape number, if you haven't, no problem, just putting this number. And yeah, other email, putting email, so like that. Password need to be uppercase, lowercase, and minimum 10 number password would be. So therefore, okay, I'm putting a password, something like that, and number and symbol, which I'm putting something like that. A 6 7 8 9 10, minimum number would be 10. So BBC 1 2 3, and time zone, which country you are from right now, the city right in here, like Delhi. So yeah, where did you hear about us? So you write YouTube, because you're watching right now YouTube video, and you first of all see it's on YouTube. So thumbs up on registration now. So something wrong here, please complete the following request field. Who is filled, oh, password has been wrong, so I need to correct that. So okay, Q W and E, 1 2 3, and uppercase and symbol, Q W E, 1 2 3, and wait few minutes. And okay, I have created an account. Okay, dashboard look like that. So you need to right now active your account. So therefore click on account setting, and waiting for validation. So there has been sent a code on your Gmail. So go your Gmail and putting the and click on link and verification your account. So you can do that yourself easily. So how you can get work here? So click on offer tools and click on my offers. So select on whatever country you want, which countries people you are want to be target. So like France. So whatever country, every country has selected here. So France. Okay, France. And best payment, not that, France. Okay, France. It's kind of good if you select a European country because it's pay a lot of, oh, $23 verifier. Its work is verifier. So click on there. Oh yeah, we're seeing remain offer. So install application TikTok. Okay, my browser has been problem. Refresh that. Okay, France. Okay, France. So best offer, select. And if you haven't understood that, you can translate that because it's France language, therefore you haven't understood. So verifier, first option. So here you need to oh, it's tough to do because Apple's iOS user can do that, credit card submit. So not that. Okay, just click, that's easy to do for you. So like Android. Wait sometimes, yeah. Okay, click on and let's email zip submit. So therefore you can get, oh, it's not good, 0.08 cent. It's not good at all. So click on verify 23. Okay, click submit. Also it's not good, it's tough to do. If you can do that, if you have, you can do that, pin submit. So if you haven't understood that, you just copy this and translator and select English, get the latest content, enter your mobile number now, get started. So you can do that. So yeah, whatever country you choose, like here 200 or 200 countries selected. So and payment system is being payment center. Yeah, affiliate earning 0, total paid 0. So payment system is Paynor Global, East Transfer, Bank, PayPal. So whatever you want. So and after, yeah, you can put go to offer and my offer and select your country like India. Okay. It's hard to send, so I'm copy that. Wait, translate. Okay, get your shop tab now. Okay, click on the shop tab. Just install for Indian people. You need to verify your email, and thereafter you can get link here. So click on link. Suppose you have verified your uh, account, Google account. So thereafter copy link and go to trafficbar.com, and here you can do whatever ad you put. Ad you target Indian country, and Indian people see your see your link and tap on your link, and you have earned a lot of money from them. So you can put ad here.